This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. And now let's check out this episode. Even, you brought his name up earlier, Baby Wayne. How did you connect with a Baby Wayne now? And do you have any songs with Baby Wayne?
Yeah.
You do?
I have songs that don't even release.
With Baby Wayne. How did you guys connect now? Because now he wasn't in that Rasta type of vibes. He was a different type of artist.
They have one named Polish. Mm-hmm. Him sound like Baby Wayne. Full of stammer too. He continued to tell me that stars. That you are wicked now. But Baby Wayne coward when I'm coming studio door, them run him out. Mm-hmm. You have the tune? No, leave. So when I go in the studio now, Baby Wayne, Father, me can't come? I say, come. Mm-hmm. Stars in my work? Yes, come. So me is in passport to the studio. Mm-hmm. So him just start doing things. But him have the lyrics them, but certain part them kind of weak where me never really like still. Mm-hmm. But him have him own style, every man have a different style. Actually, since him dead enough, people rate him. Mm-hmm. They want to give him a rip break back then.
Because I know it was really Capitan and even Wronghead. Capitan, yeah. Wronghead, Panhead, and Baby Wayne, they were like...
Yeah,
the
real
crew,
family.
Yeah, but Capitan got the big boss. Panhead was supposed to, but then he died. But then, like, when Baby Wayne was getting into problems, smoking and all that stuff there, it was Capitan was really the one saying, yo, come and trying to really bring... Him and Wronghead, as a matter of fact, yeah. were the two really trying to work with Baby Wayne at that time.
So we take him from over the waters, carry him uptown, give him a room that we can eyeball him. Mm-hmm. But Baby Wayne loved the thing. Mm-hmm.
Where were you when Baby Wayne died, and what do you remember hearing about Baby Wayne at that time there?
I came back from Africa, was building a new building in Jamaica, mm-hmm. put up my studio, and Baby Wayne was sleeping right across the road in a park, because they sell crack up the road. Baby Wayne don't know it's my building. I tell him, anytime Baby Wayne find out his problem. So when Baby Wayne find out he was on the site every day. Yeah. But they say whatever he was sick with when he come from England killed him. Mm-hmm. Couldn't believe that he died.
Yeah. The great Baby Wayne. Because again, I read Baby Wayne. I remember going to Jamaica a couple times and seeing Baby Wayne in Record Factory, him, Elephant Man and stuff. Yeah. And you see when Baby Wayne starts to freestyle in that studio, everybody's paying attention and the studio mash up Baby Wayne.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Baby Wayne have lyrics, style.
That's what it was. He had a different type of style.
Yeah, different energy. Mm-hmm.
And from
because them stammer too, you know.
Yeah.
So somewhere along the line, that stammer work out with him stuff.
He turned it into a style.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Go to a Baby Wayne. Were you linking with Panhead at this time here also?
Yeah, Panhead is part of our crew no matter what. If you even go into England or so, and Panhead is not on it, we try to put him on it so that you get exposed. Because we don't play, we'll drag you with us to let you get exposed. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so he was on some of the shows with you guys also?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are in England on tour, we carry him. He get to go around and people hear him and thing, but he wasn't coming to Canada or the US.
Oh, he didn't get to come to Canada or US?
Mm-hmm. He's an unruly kid too. Mm-hmm.
So it was basically Capitan and Panhead on the road, or there was more of you guys on the road also at that time there?
Well, our thing was moving much fast, you know, so whenever I can drag them throughout the Caribbean or so, Jack Cure, all of them, we drag them down the Caribbean, Jamaican, we're trying to expose them any which way we can do it because they're not going to give them a visa that easy to go to the States. Mm-hmm. And nobody want to pay them to come to Canada at that point. Mm-hmm. So we carry them the other route and carry them Europe.
What was it like meeting a young Jack here at that time there?
Little Melody, 14, 15 years old, get peer trouble. So eventually everybody start ras up now, and you have your thunder, and you have your glory, and you have your this, and you have your that. And him come from country every month, and maybe him come from a pure old cure weed. You have your cure because pure old cure you have.
Yeah. That's wild. I didn't even know that's how he really came up with him, because I knew he had a name before that.
Yeah, everybody, Little Melody, Little Flipper, Gone Turn Flipper Mafia.
He was part of the early camp also.
I will pressure all of them for go school, and we will make you get fly out, and all of them start go back to school.
Wow. What are you in Panhead here now? What was the situation surrounding his death? Because he was still part of the camp at that time here now?
We'll pull him whenever we can because we grow fast. And he was still on that level. So you have to pay attention to the person that is with the team more. And when we can pull you down there, we do it.
Crazy. So with his death, where were you guys, or how did the camp feel when Panhead had died at the time there now?
Cape Town get mad, man. Cape Town, the cold-blooded murderer, shouldn't kill the innocent soldier. And them get mad, man. I couldn't wait for the song. The song make quick. Run the voices for Jack Scorpio.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.